Hi there, this is Jill from Rolling Harvest with another episode of What's Cooking. Today we're going to be preparing a peanut stir fry with our featured produce of the week, cabbage. Start by chopping your cabbage, whether it's green, red, or both. Then cut your carrots into matchsticks and include any other veggies that you desire, such as green beans or broccoli. Then, dice your onion and set aside for later. We're now going to prepare a sauce made from peanut butter, soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic powder, coconut milk, and lime juice. Set your pan on medium-low. Add half a can of coconut milk, 5 tablespoons of peanut butter, and mix it around with a fork until it starts to melt down. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, a squeeze of lime juice, and a shake of garlic powder. Now continue to mix the sauce until it becomes a creamy, smooth consistency. Heat a large pan on medium-high and add some olive oil. Add the onion and garlic and allow to cook until fragrant. We're now going to add the veggies in a specific order for optimal cooking. First, add the cabbage and the carrots. Stir and let cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the green beans and the broccoli and allow to cook for another minute. Our final step is to mix in the prepared peanut sauce until all the veggies are lightly coated. And there you have it, a delicious meal to make when you have some cabbage to spare. You can serve this with a desired grain and/or protein.
Thank you for joining my colleagues Edie Koznowski, Jill Kelly, and me, Vicki Sarnoff, for this episode of What's Cooking. Please check out our website at www.rollingharvest.org for more information about Rolling Harvest Food Rescue.